Hello friends, in this video we will learn and write how to make sentences. So let's start. First line, read, see, read the book carefully. Chair, this is a chair. India, India is my country. Agra, she lives in Agra. Gold, I have 10 gram gold. Team, my team is very strong. Window, this house has no window. Pen, I want to buy a pen. Table, I have a table. Sing, she sings beautifully. Silver, silver is a very useful metal. Forest, animals live in the forest. Childhood, we never forget our childhood. When we go to school by when? Girl, Radha is a beautiful girl. Teacher, Rahul is a teacher. Honesty, honesty is the best policy. Atul is my friend. Books, the books contains the red caps. Play, they play football well.